Yeah, I mean, crazy is definitely the best word for it. I mean, we had two different planes, two different flight companies. We went, from Minneapolis to New York to Dallas to a 4-hour bus ride here. So, I mean, at one point we commandeered a New York City bus to get to our gate, and it was crazy. That's the only way to describe it.
So where does this past weekend's trip rank in all the interesting travel that Gopher Baseball has had?
For me, this is probably number one. It's been really difficult to try to communicate with teachers and everything while we've been on the road. Trying to be proactive and figuring out what you need to bring when you're on the road so you can get stuff done. It's been a lot of planning ahead, and I think more so for myself it's maybe been a little bit easier than for some of the younger guys, just because I can foresee what happens when you go on the road. The biggest struggle is that I think a lot of the times the teachers get this impression that when we're on the road that we're in our hotel for 90% of the day and we leave just for a short time to go play baseball, but we're at the park for 8-9 hours out of the day, and if we have a doubleheader, potentially longer, get back, have a team meal, have a meeting about the game, and when that's all done with, there's very little time at the end of the night to just sit back and relax, and you've got to get homework done. So I think the hardest part is definitely time management, and really just planning ahead has been really helpful.
And one other quick thing, what was your favorite weird moment from this past weekend?
Probably my favorite moment from this past weekend was we were playing a game called the odds game. Basically, it's kind of daring someone to do something. Ben Meyer ended up losing and had to take a mop from a janitor that was working at the airport and start mopping. And when he went over to grab the mop out of the janitor's basket, the janitor basically got a little bit worked up, came after him, and it was in some sort of a lock mechanism. Ben couldn't get it out, so he's yanking on it for a good 5 or 10 seconds before he ended up getting in trouble. So that was kind of pretty funny to see.